back to Temu Tuesday. I have so many cute pieces to show you today. Now, I only have 4 outfits, but I do have some accessories that I am thrilled with. Yes, today's video is sponsored by Temu, and if you guys don't know, Temu is a fantastic online marketplace. They have an app. I would download it if I were you. And they have the most fantastic price. And new users can save 30% off using code DEAL4885. Everything is affordable. Anything you can think of, they sell. Here at Life and Style by Liz, we focus on the fashion side of things. And yes, it is all affordable. Now, let's get into what I am wearing. And first off, let me just say that I'm wearing everything today in a size medium. I did make sure to check that for you guys. I always forget to do the sizes for my Temu hauls, but I do want you to know that the top that I'm wearing in this little cute, adorable set, a little small on me. So I did grab my pink denim jacket that I wore a few weeks ago, and it is from Temu, and I will make sure to remember to link this for you guys in the description box below. All right, let me show you this outfit. First, let me start out with this purse. Like I said, I'm focusing on accessories today, and you know, along with the clothing, but you guys, check this out. Okay, if you've been here at all, you guys know that I love my straw clutch bag. I've been showing it every summer for like 2 years. I think I finally have a replacement. Look at this one, you guys. How cute is this? Even if you had on the most plain outfit, you know me with my blacks and neutrals, this would summarize and spice things up, and I guarantee you, when you go out, you're gonna get compliments on it. Let me show it to you. It does have a little side tab. The price is up on the screen. By the way, with my Temu hauls, I always make sure, because the prices are so fantastic, to put them up on the screen. And here is the inside. It does have a cute little pocket. It is fully lined, and then that gold snap. You can also take this little wristlet piece here, carry it by the wristlet, which is awesome. I do want to mention that Temu is not a scam. They have fantastic prices, and it is for real. If you aren't satisfied with whatever you get, I'm sure you will be though, you do have 90 days to return. I've heard from other people who have returned that is a very easy process, and you get your money, you know, rather quickly. Nothing to worry about over here. It is not a scam, nothing crazy going on at Temu. So, and they do take most major credit cards, and I think you will be pleased with them. Let me stop talking and back up and show you this outfit. All right, you guys, I don't know if you've lived under a rock or what, but 2-piece sets are super on trend. They were last year and they are again this year. Check out this really cute set. I absolutely love it. It has this little side, sort of like a tie. It just kind of hangs there. You can leave it hanging like I did, or tie a little bow. I love that little, I don't know, I guess you would call it detail. It does make things rather cute. Now the top of it is what I was concerned about. Let me put my purse down for 1 second. It does have adjustable straps. I just think I would prefer it to come up here, but that's how it's fitting me. So you may be built differently and have a better time with that. It is smocked in the back, and it comes all the way up, which is nice. That does give you some stretch. And again, this comes in a set. The price is up on the screen. I love the pants. You guys know I'm super into pink this season, and I'm just loving this. I'm looking at my selfie mirror over here. I'm absolutely loving this look. It's got an elastic waist, plenty of room. I put the pants up nice and high so that not much skin is showing on this 2-piece set with the cropped top and then the high-waisted bottoms. You can really get away with it, I feel. So let me just show you how it looks with the denim or pink. It's sort of denim. Yeah, it's a very lightweight denim jacket. I thought this looked really cute with the purse too, you guys. If I forget to link this jacket, you guys yell at me in the comments, okay? But here's the back. I just thought that, you know, made it okay that the shirt wasn't entirely fitting me the way I wanted to, and I feel like more dressy and comfortable with the jacket on. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But I will take it off and give you one last look, specifically with this purse. Oh, wait, no, hold on. How could I forget? I have 3 pairs of shoes to show you guys today in today's haul. Check these out. If you've been with me for a while, and if you haven't, welcome. You guys know I love a nude shoe. Check these out, you guys. The double band. Look at that quilted. Look at the detail. Quilted back. Here's the price. They are gorgeous and comfy. I've been wearing them around my room because I just made a reel in this outfit over on Instagram. It will also be up on TikTok. It's just at Life and Style by Liz, but my feet don't hurt. I've been super comfy, and I do love the size of the heel. So let me back up and show you this entire Temu look, you guys. The prices are amazing. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of these prices. This is such an awesome vacation outfit. I love the fact that it's got a print everywhere because you don't see what's going on underneath. No lumps or bumps. You guys know, there's my little trick. Pick a design to slap on everything and no one will know what's going on underneath because they don't need to know. All right, you guys, I will be back with my next look. All right, I am back with my next Temu look. This one is a little different, more sporty, not my usual dressy looks that I always choose when I do my Temu hauls. This is a little cute tracksuit, you guys. Now, I am too lazy to run downstairs and grab a pair of white, sneakers. I think little canvas white sneakers or plain leather. White sneakers would look so cute with this. This has that classic red, white, and blue design on it. The base of it, though, is that pretty navy blue. Let me back up and show you. It is a basic tracksuit, you guys. So it comes with these bottoms. I'm wearing this set in a medium. Now, the bottoms are more fitted, I would say, from the knee down. They fit me more like kind of like a loose legging, I would say, over a, pair of traditional jogging pants or sweatpants. These are high-waisted, so you can pull them up. I just threw on, because you know how I am, just a plain white tube top of my own, and I thought that this would look cute because of the high waist and the little jacket, and you could throw on white sneakers, maybe a crossbody bag, and go out and do your errands. I think it's really, really sweet. So I'll make sure to link this one below, and again, I'm wearing this in a size medium. No accessories to show you for this, but this thing is sitting here on my desk, and I'm in love, you guys. I'm totally obsessed with it. Anyway, I'll be back with my next look. Hey everyone, I think you guys are gonna love this outfit. I'm thrilled with it. Let me go over the accessories. Look how cute this little tiny handbag is. It's obviously an evening bag. It is not gonna hold much, but a lot of times all you need is a lipstick and maybe your car keys, right? So I think it's adorable and it matches these shoes. We will get into the outfit in a minute. Yes, it is a jumpsuit. You know I had to include at least one jumpsuit, but check these out. They're flats now. Don't laugh at my big feet. I take a size 10. They're gonna be way cuter on anyone who's under a size 10. Even a 9 looks small to me. But I thought they're adorable. They're flats and they have that cute little, similar to the bag, rhinestone look. Isn't that adorable? What a cute set, and it goes so well with this outfit. And I'll tell you what, there's some cushion in these. It's so nice to have a comfortable flat on. I'm used to wearing a little bit of a heel, but these flats are fun to wear for me. And you guys know that with Temu, I do size up 1 typically. So again, I'm wearing a medium in this gorgeous jumpsuit. Check it out, you guys. I absolutely love the color. It's like a rusty color. It has these beautiful lilies and leaves in a neutral, sort of like beige pattern on top of that rusted color. Here is the back. The pattern goes all the way through. I love that it is a tube style. It does have this matching belt, and I just tied it in a double knot. Sorry about all the traffic noises, you guys. It's actually nice out today, and so I have a window open to try and get some airflow, and it never fails. We always hear cars or kids. That'll be coming soon. They're still in school right now. But anyway, you guys, I absolutely love this jumpsuit. You could really get away with wearing this with flats in this bag to a nice dinner or out on a patio having a drink, or a date night, or a night with the girls, whatever it is that you do. Even would be a cute brunch outfit. I just did brunch with a bunch of girls a couple of weeks ago, or no, just this past weekend. Everything's been a blur lately, you guys. And we all wore our cool outfits and took photos. I think I did put one on Instagram. And we're gonna meet up again, so this would be a nice one to wear in the future with that same crew. And again, I think I told you I'm wearing it in medium. Here's the price again on the jumpsuit. This adorable bag, price is right here. And then the flats, of course. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of these prices, you guys. I absolutely love everything I get from Temu. And if I didn't and I purchased it all, most of this was gifted to me, I would be right on the website doing a return, and you have up to 90 days to do that. So don't be afraid. Temu is awesome. I am featuring them most Tuesdays, and I think you guys are gonna love them. All right, let me get on to my next look. All right, you guys, my last look for today's Temu Tuesday. Check out this 2-piece. Yes, I grabbed this bag again because you guys, this is gonna go with everything this summer. Check out this 2-piece set. I am head to toe Temu. I will show you the shoes in a second, and make sure you guys go over to Instagram or over to TikTok because I just made a really cool reel. And here's a hint, head to toe. That's all I'm gonna say. Check out the back. I'm wearing, again, this whole set in a size medium. I love this. I love that it's a little big on me, you guys. When I'm wearing anything cropped, I do not want the bottoms to be tight. I don't want a muffin top. I mean, come on. I am 51 years old, loose skin, all that stuff. I've got it all, okay? Everything you see here is just an illusion. I know how to dress it, tan it, put lotion on it, whatever, to make the best of it. This set is adorable. I absolutely love the fabric. It's got a side zip to it. It really does help when you have something more loose, just to give you a softer silhouette. You don't have a hard waist. And this top is adorable. You tie it in the middle yourself. It is not adjustable, but the nice thing is it is smocked back here, so that absolutely helps fit most of us. It's not too short of a crop. The pants are high-waisted. They're wide leg, they're flowy, they'd be nice and cool. I could see wearing this to brunch also and getting my picture taken by the water. It kind of has a water look to it. I don't know why. I absolutely love the print on this, you guys. No necklace needed. Just put on a pair of earrings and you are all set. There's so much interest and stuff going on with this gorgeous outfit. Let me give you a look here. I love it. Now, let me show you the shoes that I chose to pair it with. Oh yes, Temu is killing it. Look at these, you guys. Trending right now. Braided, of course. They're coming, they're back again this year, just like they were all last season. Also, the platform in a square chunky heel. This has it all. Now, of course, I picked the nude because you guys know I love nude sandals, especially in the summertime. They're comfortable. That platform makes it feel like you're not even wearing a heel. Let me back up and show you again how they look. With this outfit, they go absolutely perfectly with it. I absolutely love this look. This is a Liz look to beat the band, I promise you. And one last look at this guy. So today we focused on shoes, a couple purses, and some cute outfits, you guys. Now, check out Temu. Even if you didn't see anything that suits your style, and I can understand that, I do have my own style, click on my links and get over to Temu. And don't forget, new users can use code DEAL4885 to save 30%. This is in order. And check them out anyway. I know you guys will find something that you like, even if it's just in the fashion department. They have all sorts of styles over there. That's why I included the tracksuit, just to give you an idea that it's not all maxi dresses and jumpsuits. Seasonally, I'm picking those right now, and personally, because those are things that I absolutely love. All right, you guys, that is it for today's Temu haul. If you did like something and you're planning on buying it, let me know in the comments down below what your favorite look was. And if you have purchased from Temu, let me know what your experience is like and share it with others down in the comments. If you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and helps other people to find me. And if you've not already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications, and that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. I hope you all have a great night, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye, everyone.